Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making the yummiest butter cookies with just 3 ingredients. Wow! So my brother moved to university a couple of years back and I wanted to send him handmade butter cookies for Rakshabandhan. That is how I got to learn this very yummy recipe. As today's Rakshabandhan, again, I want to dedicate this video to him. You see, these were the cookies I had sent him. One lucky champ. So we take 3/4 cup butter melted at room temperature, half cup powdered sugar. Try to avoid any clumps. And we have to mix it well. I am using just a fork. Works well for me. Mix until it's fluffy and it kind of forms a paste-like consistency. There shouldn't be any granules. Next is 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. You can sift your flour. Here goes the first 1/4 cup. Bind everything together. Now goes the second 1/4 cup and we have to form a cookie dough. You can keep on using the fork or your hand, whatever you're comfortable with. Now, to avoid mistakes, I like to work in batches. We divide the dough and spread it on the butter paper with a rolling pin. Using slight pressure of the hand, evenly spread out the dough. Please do not overdo this step or the dough will stick to the paper and you wouldn't like that. I'm using these cookie cutters to shape my cookies. After cutting the shape, clean the edges and place it on your baking tray lined with butter paper. Repeat the steps. But while placing the cookies, make sure to leave some space between each as the size will increase after the cookies are baked, and if you do not leave a good amount of space, they'll all stick to each other and the shape will be totally distorted. This is optional, but I just added some chocolate chips to the rest of the dough and we have to give it a slight mix just so that the dough binds with the chocolate chips. Again, you can use your hand, no problem. Preheat a pan on low flame and place a wire stand in it. We now place the baking tray inside the pot and cover it up and leave this arrangement for 25 to 30 minutes. And now it's the reveal time. They look so good already, right? And it was just so easy to make these cookies. I am placing one on top of the other on a cellophane paper and gift wrapping it, sort of a thing. Yeah, you can serve it hot on a tray, have it with anything that you want, and they'll taste just fine. I really hope you enjoyed my video and learned something new today. And you'll support me by subscribing to my channel, liking the video, commenting. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this out or if you already knew the recipe. How was your experience making cookies for the very first time? I'll tell you a secret. I burned 3 whole batches of cookies while learning how to make them. Wow. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around and supporting me. Bye. Take care.